Alright guys, today we talk about Summer of '69 by BryanAdams. We start with A section and we have two power chords, D and A. So we play the accents on the 1 and on the end of 2. So it looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So with the right hand we have all down strokes. On the B section we have few chords, B minor, A major, D, G, then again B minor, A, D, G, B minor, and finally A. Let's take a look to the arpeggio that we play with a pick. Now let's take a look to the guitar solo, which is built mainly on the major pentatonic of D.